So while I thought the jury would be in deliberation by now, not yet. They have another video to view. I want y'all to tell me what you see in this video. Now, the bigger I make it, the more grainier it is, unfortunately. But mind you, this woman says that this man grabbed the gun, turned it towards himself, pulled the trigger while it was in her hand. What I see, well, let's just play.
Wait, is it possible to slow the video down? And we don't have IT at this time, so, we'll just play it the way that we can.
Now, I know the prosecution said that the jurors would not be having these calls and videos back there, but they can request them. Let's hope they request all of them. And hopefully then they're able to slow down anything, blow up anything. I mean, they should be able to properly, go over the evidence. But watch this. I don't know what he's saying, but it's clear what just happened.
Wait, is it possible to slow the video down?
She done. She done. She done. She done. Yeah, she done. She done. She is done. You can. It's clear she was trying to block him in. I mean, you see her Jeep. You see his truck. That's clear. She claims it's not what happened when she got on the stand. But that's clear. And what just happened here is clear. That girl willingly, purposefully shot this man. There's no doubt about it. There is no doubt about it. No doubt.
We'll just play it the way that we can.
She picked up what? Now, how is this confusing? It's not confusing to me. She did that on purpose. He didn't pull no trigger. She pulled the trigger. That was intentional aim and shoot. All day. All day. You can tell by so many things. The way she positioned her body, like, just all of it. That was intentional. And look at it afterwards. She don't even care. She don't even care. I don't know what else is on here, but...
Hey, hell no!
What is he saying? Yeah, girl.
I just want to make sure the record's clear. Jurors requesting to play it again. Is that okay?
That's any objection?
I would agree. In terms of the rules of the court and how they address that, I'm not a judge, so I don't know, but I think the rules state whether they can or cannot.
I'm going to allow it to be played again.
Yeah, look at them. Defense don't like that.
Hey! Hey, hell no!
Is that her telling 911 that he just pulled the trigger on?
Is that what you wanted to see? Yes?
One more time.
Okay, so there's a request to see it one more time, so please go ahead.
You would pause it right there?
Right there.
Oh, not fast enough. Sorry, I did it. Sorry, not fast enough.
Oh.
They would need to zoom in.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, shorty. Yeah, shorty, you shot him.
Is it?
Is that sufficient?
You shot him
Okay. You also
with
asked
your
to
heels on.
see
You shot him.
Officer Ryan, which is body cam.
Yeah,
video.
man. Yeah. Yeah.
Do we have that?
Yeah, you see that, Pawpaw? You see that, what your daughter did? You see it? Huh? Yeah, yeah. He even shook, look, he even shook his head. Yeah, he seen it. He saw what she did.
This guy said they shot him a 41 right there, and the lady pulled out a 69 and shot at the other guy. Right there? Right down the next intersection. Yeah, can you move over a little bit?
That was his phone ringing the whole time?
Who got shot? Who shot him? Okay. Yeah, give me that. Did you have any other guns in the car? All right. Yeah, let me get that. Let me get that. Why do you have that, bro? You have that. So, Forest Parkway, 50 and off of 41.
Okay, ho. So for some reason, I don't recall seeing the beginning part of what actually took place, played in court. I'm not sure why not, but I'm pretty sure that is accurate Because why are we watching it right now? You know? I just, man. I mean, and this you can go and watch it yourself. You can look in the chat. Everybody's saying it. She not showing no remorse. She has not shown remorse at all in any way. She has not spoken remorse. Mind you, she got on the stand and gave a testimony. There was no remorse given. None. Not any.
I don't think that is dirtiness on there. It's not. It's all bleeding internally. Hey, sir, stay with me, okay? Can you talk to me, though? Hey, so we got a name? I see him. You about to go, dude. Sir, you guys are for me, okay? Y'all ain't got no. No, we don't have any ambulance, huh? Hey, sir, stay with me. Yeah. Dude, we see how long I do. She stopped. Anyway, they lost her.
He's not moving no more. I could see the officer feeling for a pulse. He was feeling on his wrist. Now he feeling on his neck. And Mr. Herring is no longer moving. I hope they not finna stick him with nothing. Is that what I'm hearing? Is that what I'm hearing? Because they don't know what he need. Listen to what he's saying.
Shot once.
Okay, we can hear him.
Can you tell me anything? Come on, sir, stay with me, okay? Just keep breathing. Hey, what's your name? Just keep breathing, man, okay? I know it hurts, keep breathing. Come on, like, need to have the phone come down on your phone, okay? That's all right. Come on, stay with me, man. Keep breathing, okay? Any $39 or anything? He's probably got a wallet in his pocket. He's... Take his phone below you? Yeah. I'm assuming so. Stay with me, man. Hang tight. Come on, sir. Just keep breathing, okay? Keep breathing. Keep strong breathing. We got you now. We got you now. That's them coming up right now. Yeah, that pulse. Somewhat. Yes. Yes. It's going to be below the belly button. Abdominal area. Come on, man. Keep breathing, okay? Just focus on me right now. Keep breathing. That's all you gotta do. Hey. 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 Come on, keep your eyes open. Let me see you breathe. Breathe for you, baby, man. Stay with us. Hey, come on, stay with me. Hey, we got one. We got one gunshot here. Super weak pulse.
At this point, I'm seeing clear where they can get her with malice murder. I mean, I don't see how not.
We just driving. What happened? They got me elected. The lady, they got hit out. They make barely. We got a single issue room right here. I don't know if there's an exit. We haven't been able to move it far enough to find out.
So this is what they're looking at before they go in.
And then he also requested that he wanted Miss Payne's second 911 call.
Yes, ma'am. I'm on Howell and Forest Parkway, the intersection. I actually called about 20 minutes ago for an accident, and no one has shown up yet. But I am under the impression that the guy that caused the accident, who ran the red light, is drunk, and he's gotten back in his car, and he's looking like he's trying to drive away. Okay, can you get his tag number?
So what is she writing right now? She says she's under the impression that the man is drunk. How many people would want to run down a drunk man? Well, she had a gun, so
Hold on, he's driving away. It's a red Dodge Dakota.
yeah, she's running.
Forest Parkway. Okay, so you couldn't get a tag number? No, but I'm catching up to him right now. Okay, ma'am, we actually do not want you to chase him. We just want you to be safe. I understand. I understand 100%. I'm just going to get the tag number, if nothing else.
How is this confusing? Because the woman testified that she didn't hear the dispatcher tell her not to chase him. She just understood that the woman said she wanted her to be safe. But she told her 4 times.
But I am going west down Forest Parkway. And we are almost up to him. I mean, his radiator is busted and everything. I honestly have no idea how he's driving the truck.
You should mind your business that day, sis. Oh, that wasn't even her business.
Okay. It is a Georgia tag. License plate is RHA as in Apple 4859. Okay.
Okay.
So
at this point, why couldn't she just go back? Why couldn't she just leave that man alone? They got the plates. They know who the truck belonged to. She telling them the direction he traveling. They done gave the description. What's the point?
if you can go back to that location where the incident happened, it's because someone is actually on the way to you guys now. Okay, well, there's a police officer there, but he is drunk. I'm sorry, but I'm here to tell you I'm not going to follow him.
How is it, how can she even claim that she didn't understand the dispatcher telling her to not follow him and go back after what we just heard? She can't claim that. And this is the jury requesting to hear this, y'all. Look at the face on the lawyer. Look at her with her head down. Look at her mom and daddy. Look at her mom and daddy. Look at him. 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 Look at him.
Because he is going to cause another accident. So I will stay behind him until officers can get to us. But until then, I'm not moving.
Yeah, no, that's what I want. I want you guys to go back to the location where it happened, and an officer will be out there momentarily, okay?
See, the lawyer's shaking his head, yes, because he thinks that that's a smoking gun for him. His argument, the dispatcher said she wanted both of them to go back. You can't make nobody go back. That doesn't help her. That doesn't justify her anything. It doesn't even make any sense for him to believe that. But he does. Straight aggression. Straight aggression. As soon as she got out, straight aggression. Get out the car. Does it sound like she's saying, excuse me, sir, but my name is Hannah, and I was back there at the car accident scene, and I followed you here because we don't understand why you left, and I have the 911 dispatcher on the phone, and she wants to talk to you if you would talk to her because she wants you to go back to the accident scene. Will you talk to her, please? See, this is her on the phone. This is how she made it sound in her testimony. But we hearing the tape. We hear the tape. Look at her mama. Look at her mama. Look at her mama. Pardon me, I think that's her grandma. But, you know, what trips me out is to immediately think to lie. That's very telling. That's very telling. She immediately lied.
Okay, you got the tag number.
There's a police officer down the street. Tell him to come up here now. He pulled the trigger on my gun after he attacked me. Tell the police officer to turn around. From the trigger.
Imagine saying somebody attacked you after you attacked them. You chased them down. You ran up to their car. You shot them. And then gonna say they attacked you. That man wasn't coming for you. He wasn't looking for you. He wasn't chasing you. He didn't even know you existed at all. The audacity. And then to get on the stand and not want. Oh, she should have made a plea deal. She should have confessed. She should have apologized. She should have begged for mercy from the family, the courts. There's no other way around it. There's no possible way that you could sit here and say you didn't do this.
And come up here immediately. I need a paramedic. I'll stay. And he ain't. Can you stay? You say what happened? I need a paramedic. I'll stay. And he ain't. I need a paramedic. I'll stay. And he ain't. Can you stay? You say what happened?
Shame on you. shame. Low down dirty shame.
Okay, ma'am, where are you guys
Look
located
at her
now?
lawyer, man. Come, this dude is slime. Look at his face. Ugh.
Ma'am,
I don't know. I did.
Is that when the officer said who shot him? Huh?
ma'am,
I don't know. I did. No, I don't.
okay,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yep. She said that to the officer because remember he asked her, do you have any other guns in the vehicle? She said, no, I don't. Mm-hmm.
There's a police officer here now.
Okay, speak with them.
All right.
When the prosecution started out, they said that she told the officers that she shot him. Girl, did you get me on camera? Ooh. It is clear.
So those were the requests for the videos and the 911 call. It's now 6:15. I can adjourn for the evening and ask that you come back tomorrow at 9 to deliberate. Are you willing to stay? Okay. All right. I'll give you some more time. So you may go back to the jury room to deliberate.
So they gonna deliberate tonight? Is that what we just heard, y'all? Oh, they ready. They ready. They just wanted to hear that tape, see that tape. They ready. Ooh, sister, you going to jail. Sister, you going to jail, oh, sister. You should have minded your own business. I bet you think I don't know nothing. Well, baby, I do. Oh, sister, the joke is on you. Sister, you should have minded your own business too. Let's see what's going on now. Yeah, they deliberating, y'all. Okay, let's see what the judge gonna say. Oh, they playing some more?
Got you now.
Oh no, they
That's
went
the
back.
prison up right
Okay.
now. Didn't pull.
Yes.
Stay. Okay. All right. I'll give you some more time. So you may go back to the jury room to deliberate.
To deliberate. Oh, this ain't good. This ain't good. For the one saying, but did the prosecution prove the case? Honey, listen. All of my criticisms about the prosecution not doing such a great job, except for the closing argument. I think she did a good job with the closing argument. She did a real good job with the closing argument. Hannah proved her own case. Okay, and her attorney helped. So we gotta give him a little credit. But Hannah proved this case. She proved this case. Sister, you're going to jail. Oh, sister, your grandmama said, sister, Daddy's girl is going to jail.
The evidence that brought back out the exact same way it was, with no commentary, the way it was presented in court, and allowed to play 3 or 4 times to slow it down is improper in my humble opinion.
Huh?
It's not supposed to be that way. Based on the rules, like the same way they come out and ask to see something, must be seen the same way they saw it before. That was slowed down, that was repeated, and that's not the way it was shown in court.
Okay, and your response?
Okay, but so nobody slowed it down. But why would the jury not be allowed the opportunity to slow down a tape? It doesn't change it, but it helps them catch things that may be moving too fast. This dude is trying. He like, this is my OJ case. I can't lose it.
And I think what's in evidence is in evidence. They can view it the way that they choose to view it. It was not slowed down. It was played at the same speed.
It was paused.
That's what the jurors requested. They had 15 still shots of where the video was paused. So they already have pictures of it paused that are in evidence.
I decided to try out a Casper mattress, and let me tell you guys, that is...
My opinion of the rules are, and it's supposed to be presented to them with no commentary, the exact same way it was done in court.
Where was the commentary? Who gave commentary? I mean, what is he doing right now?
I note the objection for the record. What the court saw was that it was not slowed down. There were times where they asked that it be paused, and that was paused, and it's a replication of what occurred before, except for the pauses, but that was their request for them. And in terms of seeking the truth, that's part of what we instructed them to do, which is to seek the truth. They asked to see the video, so the court granted their request.
All right. Well,
So I'm giving them some more time to deliberate because that is their request. They're prepared to spend some more time. And so at an appropriate time when I feel that I should adjourn for the evening, I will. If there are other questions that they present to the court, then I will let you know. Thank
Okay.
you.
so I guess they are making sure that they're comfortable with all the evidence that they have. And I'm assuming that before, when the prosecution, as she was doing her closing statement, when she told them, if you want to see any evidence, let us know, that this is the method that is taken when that happens. They bring them back in court and everybody watches it. I had no idea. I'm assuming because of what we're seeing. But I had no idea that everybody had to watch it with them. I thought it would make sense for them to have the evidence brought to them and they can watch it and talk about it amongst themselves. I don't think it's fair to not allow them full access to the evidence. You can have an officer in there making sure nobody's erasing nothing or what have you, but if they want to pause it, blow it up, hey, print this out, they should be able to gather that evidence any way they need to without changing anything about it. So I'm assuming right now they're deliberating, not on the verdict, but to see if they have anything else that they need. So I think we just wait for now, because there's nothing else.
That's part of what we instructed them to do, which is to seek the truth. They asked to see the video, so the court granted their request.
Yep. Wait a minute, so they came back? Then they come back? I'm going to speed this up because I don't want to miss anything. Live in the water, Jesus, we
Okay, the court has been informed that the jury has arrived at a verdict.
What?
And so I'm going to bring them in at this time.
What?
Bailiff Innes, please.
Hold on. I'm not ready. I don't know, y'all. Is this the quickest verdict in history? Okay. A verdict? I mean, that means everybody's in agreement. It's unanimous.
So in the case State versus Hannah Payne, case number 2019-CR01737, court has been informed that you have reached a verdict. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am, we have.
Okay, and are you the foreperson?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if you kindly stand.
That means they were
Was your verdict
unison.
unanimous?
Yes, ma'am.
Has the verdict form been filled in, signed, and dated by you?
Yes, ma'am.
If you would have the bailiff bring the verdict form to me, please. Mr. Foreperson, if you would go ahead and read the verdict.
With regard to count 1 as to the offense of malice murder, we, the jury, find the defendant guilty.
Yes. Yeah, sister. Yeah.
With regard to count 2,
yeah, you can cry
as
now.
to the offense of felony murder, we, the jury, find the defendant guilty.
Yeah, you can cry now. Cry now.
With regard to count 3, as to the offense of aggravated assault,
yeah,
we, the jury, find the defendant guilty.
Yeah, let's get her some tissue because these gonna be real tears. Okay, we gonna see real tears now. Thank you. Hare Krishna. Yes, sir. Come on.
With regard to count 4, as the offense of felony murder, we, the jury, find the defendant guilty.
All that, baby. All of it.
With regard to count 5, as the offense of false imprisonment, we, the jury, find the defendant guilty.
Yes, ma'am.
With regard to count 6, as to the offense of possession of firearm during commission of a felony, we, the jury, find the defendant guilty.
Yes.
With regard to count 7, as to the offense of possession
Hey, boy.
of firearm
Hey.
during commission.
I say you, boy. Hey, you lost your case. You know you lost, don't you? Okay. All right. Just want to make sure. Yeah, this appeal gonna be interesting. Cause he gonna pull out all the stops. We already know this. So it ain't over till it's over. It's not over until she's sentenced and the appeal hearing has been had and denied. Prosecution, come on now. Don't give him no reason. I hope you didn't give him a slide through. Nowhere, no shape. Because, I mean, y'all, this was clear. This was, look, the same day. Okay.
Felony, we, the jury, find the defendant guilty. With regard to count 8, as to the offense of possession of firearm during commission of a felony, we, the jury, find the defendant guilty. Respectfully submitted, the 12th day of December, 2023.
Counsels, is there anything further required of this jury before I dismiss them?
If the court should hold the jury.
Okay. I will hold the jury. So I'm just going to go sequentially and ask you a number of questions to which you will respond. Foreperson, was that your verdict in the jury room?
Yes, ma'am.
Was it freely and voluntarily made by you?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it still your verdict?
Yes, ma'am.
Next person. Was that your verdict in the jury room?
Yes, ma'am.
Was it freely and voluntarily made by you?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it still your verdict?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Was that your verdict in the jury room?
Yes, ma'am.
Was it freely and voluntarily made by you?
Large Keep City.
I mean, are they supposed to change their mind because I ain't her grandma crying? Because, you know, I know this man family crying. Boy.
Was that your verdict in the jury room?
Yes, ma'am.
Was it freely and voluntarily made by you?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it still your verdict?
Yes, ma'am.
Was that your verdict in the jury room?
Yes, ma'am.
Was it freely and voluntarily made by you?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it still your verdict? Was that your verdict in the jury room? Was it freely and voluntarily made by you?
Are they in the
Is it still
comment
your
section?
verdict? Yes, ma'am. Was that your verdict in the jury room?
Yes, ma'am.
Was it freely and voluntarily made by you?
Nobody?
Is it still
They
your
gone?
verdict?
Oh, they gone.
Sir? Was that your verdict in the jury room?
Yes, ma'am.
Was it freely and voluntarily made by you?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it still your verdict?
Yes, ma'am.
Was that your verdict in the jury room?
Yes, ma'am.
Was it freely and voluntarily made by you?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it still your verdict?
Why are they looking like they expect one of them to say, well, you know, actually, I did not vote for that. And, you know, I don't know how they said that, everybody, because I was not for that verdict. Or expect somebody, well, you know, well, now that I think about it, you know, poor girl, let's know we can't do it like that. So.
Was that your verdict in the jury room? Was it freely and voluntarily made by you? Is it still your verdict? Was that your verdict in the jury room?
Yes, ma'am.
Was it freely and voluntarily made by you?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it still your verdict?
Yes, ma'am.
You know, I'm just mad that a couple of people that were there the entire time was not there for the verdict reading. Come on, what did y'all think they was gonna wait till tomorrow? Was surprised you missed it. Come on now.
I have polled the jurors. Ladies and gentlemen, you have now concluded your service on this jury. You're no longer subject to or bound by the instructions that I've previously given to you about not talking to anyone about this case. You're now free to talk to anyone you like about the case and the decision that your jury has reached. By the same token, you're not required to speak with anyone about this case. That is your decision. However, sometimes the attorneys like to talk with you to ascertain your views about the evidence and input from how you could improve. But again, you're not required to speak to anyone about the case. That is purely your decision.
I wouldn't.
Again, thank you for your
service. I wouldn't speak to no one, especially the attorneys, and it seems like her defense attorney wants to speak with them, and I guarantee you the only reason why he wants to speak to them is so he can find reason for an appeal. I would not talk to no slimy attorney. I wouldn't talk to nobody until her appeal is over with and she is sentenced. Jury, you can get your shine on after she is sentenced and her appeal is done. Okay? There's no safe words. There is no safe words. Keep them. Hold on to them. Just hold on. Be a little bit more patient.
And your commitments to your jury duty this week. You are free to go.
Look.
I'll be hanging out over here if I
Right. You'll be outside the
can.
courtroom?
Over near the steps.
Okay.
See? Don't talk to him. Do not talk. He want to talk to him bad. He want to get something out of them that he can use for her bill. Yeah, look at your grandma, baby. Yeah. Grandma, baby, going to jail. Did she look at her boyfriend?
Miss Payne, I'm going to remand you into the custody of the sheriff's department.
Bye-bye, sweethearts. Yeah. That's a good look right there. I like that. I like that. Go. Bye. In the handcuffs, 'cause you killed somebody, and you shouldn't have did, and you didn't have to, but you did. Yeah.
Counsel, what I do want to do at this time is set a date for the sentencing. My proposed date is December 20th.
Okay. All before Christmas.
Next Wednesday.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yippity! I know. Go ahead, girl. Get it. Going to jail.
Okay.
What?
If there are any changes, we will let you know.
Is there any possible way that we can have this done on Friday? I know you're already having court, and I'm already in court. The family's in from out of town.
Okay.
And they have traveled, and we are putting them up and
Okay.
else to be here. And just for their convenience, we would request that this to be on the 15th.
Okay. I believe I can accommodate that.
I have Bolton County is 9 in the morning. My afternoon is wide open, where I can come after when that case.
We don't need you.
Okay.
I think this would
We
be
don't
a
need you. It's her sentencing. You done.
Okay. I can accommodate the 15th. I just need to see what. We have 9 o'clock on Friday, correct? We could do it after. I could consider 10 o'clock on Friday morning.
Okay.
Okay.
So we're going to get a
Thank you.
sentencing at
Court
10.
stands adjourned
Okay.
at this
So
time.
then we got to wait for this slimy guy in his appeal. Okay. Okay, so that's got to be the fam right there. Okay. Good job. I'm happy, y'all. Let this man rest in peace. His life was taken from him by a vigilante.
You want to take all of it?
That's about as wild as a Karen can get.
Exhibit 1. Exhibit 1 is not oh, no, those were just, I didn't, when okay, thank you.
I know his family is happy because, I mean, it may have taken 4 years, but when it came through. I mean, it came through like a hurricane. It was quick. And they get ready to get a sentencing, not months later, not weeks later, but Friday, the 15th at 10 o'clock. Unless the lawyer pulls something, but I mean, he shouldn't, because you get the sentencing over, then you can do your appeal. Now, how many of y'all think the jury is going to talk to him? I think this jury is wise. They called out for more evidence to be shown. Play that tape. Okay, now we ready. I think it was clear to them early on what happened. So maybe they have enough knowledge to know that this guy is not the person they need to be talking to. They don't need to talk to anybody, but if anybody, don't talk to him. He only searching for appeal He wants some appeal juice, okay? And he gonna squeeze it out of you. He's the lawyer, not you. So hopefully they don't. And we'll see what her sentencing is, because we don't even gotta go over it. Y'all already know. She got guilty on all that. So ain't nothing but air and opportunity, girl, for you to spend a long time in prison. I think she'll fit right in, though. You know, hey, rest in peace, Mr. Kenneth Herring.